by my side, that's how I see us. I close my eyes and I can see us. We're on our way to say I do. My secret dreams have all come true. I see the people, your folks and mine, happy and smiling. And I can hear sweet voices singing, Ave Maria. Oh my love, can this really be that someday you'll walk down the aisle with me? Can it be that I'm the one for you? I'll be yours, all yours, now and forever. I see the church, I see the people, your folks and mine, happy and smiling. And I can hear sweet voices singing, Ave Maria. Oh my love, can this really mean that someday you'll walk down the aisle with me? Can it be that I'm the one for you? I'll be yours, all yours, now and forever. I see the church, I see the people, your folks and mine, happy and smiling. And I can hear sweet voices singing, Ave Maria. Ave Maria.
When I was a little bitty baby, my mama would rock me in the cradle in them old cotton fields back home. It was down in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana, in them old cotton fields back home.
Oh, when them cotton balls get rotten, you can't pick very much cotton
In them old cotton fields back home. It was down in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana, in them old cotton fields back home.
When I was a little bitty baby, my mama would rock me in the cradle in
from Texarkana in them old cotton fields back home. Oh, when them cotton balls get rotten, you can't pick very much cotton in them old cotton fields back home. It was down in Louisiana,
just about a mile from Texarkana,
in them old cotton fields back home. When I was a little bitty baby, my mama would rock me in the cradle in them old cotton fields back home. It was down in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana, in them old cotton fields back home.
Oh, when them cotton balls get rotten, you can't
in them old cotton fields back home. It was down in Louisiana, just about a mile from Texarkana, in them old cotton fields back home. In them old cotton fields back home. Since you've been gone, loneliness surrounds me. You'll find me waiting here,
just in case you changed your mind. Give me a chance. Listen to my lonely heart
beating fast for you. Since you've been gone, yesterday I know I've been crying over you.
I can't stand it no more, to be left here all alone.
Give me a chance. Listen to my lonely heart beating fast for you. Since you've been gone,
Yesterday I know
I've been crying
over you.
I can't stand it no more, to be left here all alone. Listen to my lonely heart beating fast for you. Since you've been gone, beating fast for you. Since you've been gone. Footsteps slowly walking as they gently walk across the lonely floor,
and a voice is softly saying, darling, this will be goodbye forevermore.
There goes my reason for living. There goes the one of my dreams. There goes my only possession. There goes my everything.
As my memory turns back the pages, I can see the happy years we've had before.
Now the love that kept this old heart beating has been shattered by the closing of the door. There goes my reason for living. There goes the one of my dreams. There almost heaven. West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, growing like a breeze. Comfy roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads,
All my memories gather round her. Miner's lady, stranger to blue water.
dark and dusty, painted on the sky. Missed to taste the moonshine, teardrop in my eye. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads. I hear her voice in the morning hour, she calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads,
Take me home.
down country roads.
I can't stop loving you. I've made up my mind to live in memories of old lonesome time. I can't stop wanting you. It's useless to say, so I'll just live my life in dreams of yesterday. Those happy hours that we once knew, though long ago, still make me blue. live in memories of old lonesome time. I can't stop wanting you. It's useless to say, so I'll just live my life in dreams of yesterday. Those happy hours that we once knew, though long ago, still make me blue. They say the time heals the broken heart, but time has to steal since we've been apart.
I don't like to sleep alone. Stay with me, don't go. Talk with me for just a while. So much of you to get to know. Touching you, leaving all the worries far behind. Loving you the way I do, my mouth on yours and yours on mine. Marry me, let me live with you. Nothing's wrong, your love is right. Like a man said in his song, help me make it through the night. Down when you get to thinking no one cares. Lead on me, lead on you. Together we will see it through. No, I don't like to sleep alone. Sad to think some folks do. No, does, do you? No one does, do you?
Twilight glow, I see her.
Blue eyes crying in the rain.
When we kiss goodbye and parted,
I knew we'd never meet again.
love is like a dying ember. Only memories remain.
Through the ages I'll remember.
Blue eyes crying in the rain. Someday when we meet up yonder, we'll stroll hand in hand again.
In a land that knows no pardon.
Blue eyes crying in the rain. I've known her since we both were kids. I recall the silly things we did. She would want to ride upon my back to keep from stepping on a crack. I didn't think of it back then, but even when she did not win, she was happy just to play. Stoney liked to live out every day. Stoney, happy all the time. Stoney, like the summertime, the joy you find in living every day. Stoney, how I love your simple ways. The times when no one understood, seems that Stoney always would. We'd walk for hours in the sand. She would always try and hold my hand. Stoney, happy all the time. Stoney, summertime, the joy you find in living every day. Stony, how I love your simple ways. No, I don't recollect the time I fell in love with this old friend of mine, or when I first saw in her eyes is what she tried so not to hide. Stony, happy all the time. Stony, like the summertime, the joy you find in living every day. Stony, how I love your simple ways. Stony, happy all the time. Stony, like the summertime, the joy you find in living every day. Stony, how I love your simple ways. Stony, happy all the time. Stony, like the summertime, the joy you find in living every day. Stony, how I love your simple ways.
Why is it that when a heart falls in love, it feels like a beautiful mystery? Every moment turns into a smile, like heaven's whispering softly to me. Every second feels like forever, wrapped in a sweet mist so new. If love is truly from the heart, then all I want is you. When I hold you close in my arms, time don't seem to move at all. I could stay right here through the night and never let you fall. I wanna be the one you're thinking of, from sunrise to midnight blue. If love is truly from the heart, let me belong to you. Let's share the fire of this love tonight, under Valentine's sky so bright. If the world tries to pull us apart, I'll stand and I will fight. Hold me like there's no goodbye, like forever just began. If love is truly from the heart, I'll be your There's a warmth when you say my name, like roses bloom in spring. Your laughter feels like a country song that only angels sing. Every dream I ever dreamed is standing here with you. If love is truly from the heart, then baby, make it true. If shadows fall across our road and doubts begin to rise, just look into my faithful eyes and see no compromise. Let's share the fire of this love tonight. Let the candles softly glow through every season of our lives. Together we will grow. Hold me close this Valentine, like it's our first and last. If love is truly from the heart, this love was meant to last. If love is truly from the heart, then forever starts tonight.
I was dancing with my darling to the Tennessee waltz when an old friend I happened to see.
I introduced her to my loved one, and while they were dancing, my friend stole my sweetheart from me.
I remember the night and the Tennessee waltz. Now I know just how much I had lost. Yes, I lost my little darling the night they were playing that beautiful Tennessee waltz.
I was dancing with my darling to the Tennessee waltz when an old friend I happened to see.
I introduced her to my loved one,
And while they were dancing, my friend stole my sweetheart from me. I remember the night and the Tennessee waltz. Now I know just how much I had lost. Yes, I lost my little darling the night they were playing that beautiful Tennessee waltz. That beautiful Tennessee waltz.
There's a chair by the window still, where you used to sit so still. Morning light hits the floor the same, but it don't feel right without your name. I kept your picture on the wall, even though I said I'd let it fall. Guess some things just never change when love still runs through your veins. If you ever come back home, you'll find me waiting here alone, with every word I couldn't say still echoing your name. Oh, I never moved on, no matter how I try to roam. If you ever come back home, every road that I walk down feels like it just turns around, leads me back to where we stood, back when love still felt so good. I hear you laugh in every song, like it's been there all along. And every night I close my eyes, you're the one I still hold tight. If you ever come back home, you'll find me waiting here alone, with every word I couldn't say still echoing your name. Oh, I never moved on, no matter how I tried to roam. Oh Lord, I tried to let her go, but my heart just won't say no. Every prayer I send above still carries her love. If you ever come back home, I won't let you walk alone through the pain and all the years, through the silence and the tears. Oh, I waited so long, even when hope was gone. You ever come back home?
Clock keeps ticking on the wall, but time don't move at all. Since the day you walked away, took my sunshine into gray. I still sleep on your side of the bed, with every word we never said echoing through my lonely mind, like a love I left behind. Since you walked away, nothing feels the same. Every road I take leads me back to your name. Oh, I tried, Lord, I tried, but I just can't escape this empty heart since you walked away. I see your shadow in the rain, hear your whisper in my pain. Every little thing I do feels like I'm still loving you. I told myself just let it go, but my soul don't wanna know how to live a life so cold without your hand to hold. Since you walked away, nothing feels the same. Every road I take leads me back to your name. Oh, I tried, Lord, I tried, but I just can't escape this empty heart since you walked away. Oh, baby, I'm down on my knees, begging time, bring you back to me. But the night just answers slow with a pain I can't let go. Since you walked away, I've been lost in yesterday, holding on to what we had, even knowing it's all gone bad. Oh, I tried, yes I tried, but my tears won't fade. I'm still broken since you walked away.